And now we'll see the peninsular rivers. These peninsular rivers, we have two types, the east flowing rivers and the west flowing rivers. There are two types in the peninsular rivers. East flowing rivers are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. They are called as east flowing rivers. And the river Narmada and Tapti, they are called as west flowing rivers. Understand? We'll see one by one. Now, river Mahanadi. River Mahanadi, it's originate in the state of Chhattisgarh. In the state of Chhattisgarh, and it is having the large delta also. Large delta. It is in the state of, flows in the state of river Odisha. Odisha valiya poite, I'll draw this. Here, river Mahanadi. So, river Mahanadi, this is Odisha valiya poite, it drains into Bay of Bengal. Understand? And next, river Godavari. This river Godavari, this is the longest river among the peninsular rivers. Longest river among the peninsular rivers, and it flows through the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. This is river Godavari, and it drains into Bay of Bengal. Andhra valiya vandu Bay of Bengal la join agudhu. Okay, and next is we have the famous important lake is here, that is called as Koluru Lake. Koluru Lake. And in Mahanadi we have Chilka Lake. And in Godavari we have the important lake Koluru Lake. Understand, children? Another river is, it starts from Western Ghats and flows through this Andhra Pradesh. It is called as river Krishna and drains into Bay of Bengal. This is river Krishna. Okay then. And next one, this Kaveri, river Kaveri. This is very important river for Tamil Nadu. இதை பற்றி நீங்கள் நல்லா தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். River Kaveri, it starts from the Cardamom Hills, the Coorg districts in Karnataka. அதனால தான் ப்ராப்ளம் ஆகிட்டே இருக்குது. கர்நாடகாவுக்கும் நமக்கும் இந்த காவிரி பிரச்சனை வந்துகிட்டே இருக்குல்ல. இன் பேப்பர்ஸ் அண்ட் நியூஸ் பேப்பரில், டெலிவிஷனில் எல்லாத்துலேயும் நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். காவிரி பிரச்சனை இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஏன், வை அப்படின்னு கேட்டால், பிகாஸ் திஸ் ரிவர் காவிரி இட்ஸ் ஆரிஜினேட் இன் கர்நாடகா, கூர்க் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட். அங்கே ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிட்டு, ஆரிஜினேட் ஆகிட்டு அது அப்படியே கர்நாடகா வழியாக வந்து தமிழ்நாடுக்குள்ளே வந்து ட்ரிபியூட்ரிஸாக நிறையா பிரிஞ்சு பே ஆஃப் பெங்காலில் ட்ரெயின் ஆகுது. அதனால we are claiming that we are having the rights to have this Kaveri. ஆனால் அவங்க என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, இந்த கர்நாடகாவில் அவங்க இங்கே இதை ஆரிஜினேட் ஆகுறதுனால இட் பிலாங்ஸ் டு அஸ் ஒன்லி அப்படின்னு they are saying. What we are saying, it flows through தமிழ்நாடு and drain into Bay of Bengal. அதனால இதில் எங்களுக்கும் உரிமை இருக்குது, நீங்கள் எங்களுக்கு காவிரி தண்ணி நீங்கள் கொடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னு we are fighting. So this is very important, you should understand this. So river Kaveri, it's originate from Karnataka and it's flow through the Tamil Nadu and drain into this Bay of Bengal. And this river Kaveri is called as Ganga of the South. River Kaveri is called as the Ganga of South. Or else it is another name is Dakshin Ganga. Dakshin Ganga. This river Kaveri is called as Ganga of the South or Dakshin Ganga. This is the very important river that flows through this Tamil Nadu and drains into this Bay of Bengal. And it have one great waterfall that is called as Hogenagal. கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? Hogenagal waterfall is in this river only, river Kaveri. Okay. And next, so these are all east flowing rivers. Now west flowing rivers, there are two important rivers. They are Narmada and Tapti. Only two rivers. Here Narmada is here. It started originate from here and came through this Gulf of Cambet. Inga the Gulf of Cambet irke. The Cambet vadiya it drains into Arabian Sea. Again this river Tapti also it's originate from here and it flows towards Maharashtra and drains into Arabian Sea. This is river Narmada and river Tapti. So they are west flowing rivers. Western side la idu varala varudhu and drains into Arabian Sea, western side. And east flowing rivers are all this river Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Understand? Okay. Now what are the characters of this peninsula rivers? இப்போ characters பார்க்கலாம். இப்போ இந்த Himalayan rivers ஓட characters என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம். Long and wide. Distinguish between that they will ask you. They are long and wide. But the peninsula rivers are short and narrow. Short and narrow. First one. Another one is they are non-perennial. They won't have water always. They are non-perennial rivers. Understand? During rainy season only they will have waters. Okay, so they are non-perennial and they used for hydroelectric power. இதிலேருந்து நம்ம என்ன எடுக்கலாம்? ஹைட்ரோஎலக்ட்ரிக் எடுக்கலாம், கரண்ட் எடுக்கலாம். பிகாஸ் இட் ஃப்ளோஸ் த்ரூ த மவுண்டன். நம்ம டெக்கான் பிளாட்டோ படித்தால இந்த பிளாட்டோ ரீஜன் பெனின்சுலா பிளாட்டோவில். ஸோ மவுண்டன்லேருந்து இதை விழுறதுனால வாட்டர் ஃபால். ஸோ அந்த ஃபோர்ஸ்லேருந்து we are taking the hydroelectricity. It is useful for hydroelectric power. And the fourth one is they are originate from the Western Ghats. And mountain la adallam viluradanaala they are not useful for navigation. No navigation. They are not useful for navigation. But the Himalayan rivers they are useful for navigation but no hydel power. Understand? Here the distinguish between la ungalku kepanga. You have to take down the notes, then only you can follow, children. You tell your parent and buy the book soon, then only you can learn. Whenever we are taking lessons side by side, you learn the question answers also. So it will be easy for you to understand then. So these are the important characters of the peninsula rivers. Children, we finished the first lesson of geography. Afterwards we will give you the questions, distinguish between give reason, what are the questions we will give you later on. Thank you, children.